Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinky, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that PayPal users will be able to withdraw crypto to external wallets. This is a big news because so far you couldn't move really your crypto outside of PayPal. And the second thing I want to mention that Uniswap V3 looks set for layer 2 scaling on both Arbitrum and Optimism. We do know about Optimism, but Arbitrum, it's a kind of new thing that they are going to work with those guys as well. And the third thing is that the billionaire Carl Icahn says that he maybe drops 1.5 billion into crypto. And he was totally against crypto before. So let's discuss all these things in today's video. And guys, if you want to stay up to date, then you have to subscribe to Blockchain Bloom because I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday. Subscribe button all, and then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And this is actually very important to stay up to date in this volatile market. Also, check out the links under the video, useful links, for example, discounts on different kind of cryptocurrency exchanges, or for instance Binance, or I have a free course for you how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Also, the link is under this video. And now let's move on to the market and check that out, how it looks like. Bitcoin is still going sideways, $38,976 US, which is about a 3% decrease in the last 24 hours. Ethereum pretty much the same, almost 3% down, 2,770 US dollar. When we're looking at the top gainers, we see Engine Coin going up now 33%, Chiliz 16, Stacks 14, and so on and so forth. And when we're looking at the losers, we have a bit more. Yesterday we had also almost none, and now we have Raven minus 13, Shiba minus 11, Harmony minus 11, and so on and so forth. So things going a little bit sideways today, I would say. When we're looking at the Bitcoin chart here on TradingView, we can see that I drew these things yesterday. So actually, you know, after it broke out of this wedge, then we could see it's going up. It was promising, and then I drew this trend line. It would be nice to stay above it and having you know, higher highs and higher lows. But so far so good, to be honest with you, that even it dropped yesterday, now it turned back, and actually this low is higher than this low. So even it went under this line, but it's still actually now turning back. It may going up, and you know, my new target is here at 42,000. So hopefully we're going to reach that, and when we pass that, that looks even more promising now for Bitcoin. But it can happen now that actually we still go on sideways, or actually we can go a bit down. Nothing is confirmed yet which way the market is going. It's not 100% it's going to be bullish in the short future or even bearish. Now sideways movements are on, so we have to wait. And that's why we can see, look at this very little volume here at the bottom. This shows, actually you cannot even see it on this screen pretty well here. But yeah, anyway, so it's just chopped off, but it's so tiny, you can't see it. No, it's a tiny little thing, but yeah, it shows that the people are a bit undecided which way to go. So the volume is not too big right now. Okay, and now let's move on to the first news, which is all about PayPal. And actually great news, because the users will be able to withdraw cryptocurrency to external wallets, and this is a new thing. So we do know that PayPal announced that they getting into crypto, and this was back in 2020 in autumn, and actually it pushed up Bitcoin price and the crypto price because PayPal, yeah, it's a big player. And now and so far it was that you couldn't really move the crypto what you bought on PayPal to external wallets. Therefore, this is big news, and this is how, the direction their Revolut is also going. So sooner or later, these service providers have to come up with a solution how to move crypto, because this is the key. People would like to have the control of their own crypto. And now you can see that PayPal's embrace of cryptocurrencies appears to be growing after the payment provider revealed that it will allow users to withdraw their digital assets to third-party wallets. The news, which was reported by Reuters Wednesday afternoon, comes just 7 months after PayPal first enabled crypto purchases on its platform, as I said, back in autumn. However, neither Reuters nor PayPal has specified when the crypto withdrawal features would be supported. If it's anything like PayPal's decision to enable cryptocurrency purchases last fall, the initial rollout of third-party wallets could be gradual and location-based. So probably it could be a step-by-step process, but bottom line that we're moving in this direction. And this actually also helps crypto. Anything positive like this, apart from that PayPal, it's part of the crypto game now, and so many other biggies are also joining crypto. This is also a major thing that you can move your crypto in the future. We don't know when and how it's going to play out, but we do know that now PayPal is planning it that you can move the crypto to the third-party wallet, and this is actually, I think, very important thing. So, by the way, great news. And now let's move on to the second thing, which is about Uniswap V3, that they look like they, definitely going for layer 2 solution for scaling, and they had Optimism on the menu, but now they have Arbitrum also. So let's talk about that. Okay, so what we have right now with the Ethereum is that we do need to scale. We do need to grow in a direction that speed and also decrease the transaction fees. And until Ethereum 2.0 is finally coming out, be finished, until that, the layer 2 solutions can be the solution. Therefore, Polygon is getting big nowadays, no question of that. But Uniswap V3 is going to use Optimism, and now they announced also Arbitrum. And Arbitrum is now the new thing. So the Uniswap community has voted in favor of launching the leading decentralized exchange V3 iteration on layer 2 scaling solution Arbitrum. Uniswap's creator, Hayden Adams, announced that the vote on the 27th of May, so basically kind of today, revealing the proposal's governance voted receive 41.35 million votes in favor and 0 opposing votes from Uni token holders. So this is a great thing, they're going for it. He noted that work is already underway to plan the deployment and design its interface. Arbitrum raised $3.7 million in 2019 to explore smart contract scalability and launched the first roll-up system for Ethereum in early 2020. Arbitrum claims to have achieved a reduction in gas cost of 55 times for its testnet port of Uniswap V2 in November 2020, supporting 390 swaps per second compared to just 7, probably that's what I want to say, on the Ethereum mainnet. So that you can see that it's scaling much more. Adam said that the Uniswap team remains incredibly excited for the launch of the rival layer 2 scaling solution, Optimism. Adams noted that Uniswap is still targeting a deployment on Optimism for the near future. So even now they come up with this idea to do this on Arbitrum, they still going for Optimism. So 2 options they have here. Optimism, which raised $25 million in February, funding round led by A16Z, announced in March its launch would be delayed, offering July as a rough estimate for the mainnet launch. So probably, so far it looks like Optimism can be launched in this year, obviously, in July. So about 2 months ahead. But we will see. It was once delayed. So hopefully it will then work out, because this is what we really need to make things work, make things faster and cheaper. And great that actually Uniswap is looking for other solutions as well, not just Optimism. There is Arbitrum. I don't know why they're not going to use Polygon, which is already out there, but yeah, okay, this is a mystery for me. Probably they know the answer. Okay, now third thing I want to talk about is all about the billionaire called Carl Icahn, and he's now thinking to move into crypto with a big amount of money, but he was definitely a crypto skeptic in the past. So let's talk about that. You know, more and more people join crypto. Big guys, important people who used to be skeptical, just like major banks, you know, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and so on and so forth. So they were all skeptical, and then they all fall in and coming and joining the game. And now another person called Carl Icahn, who used to be the former advisor to the Trump administration, it's now about to join the game. Probably he's actually thinking about it. Before he was a bit harsh about crypto. Maybe he's going to drop 1.5 billion into crypto. This is what the article says. So, former crypto skeptic Carl Icahn, the founder of Icahn Enterprise, told Bloomberg he's set to enter crypto market in a big way, teasing an investment of around 1.5 billion. Icahn is an investor and former advisor to the Trump administration, who has the net worth of 15.6 billion. So if we're talking about this, we're talking about the 10% of his net worth. Billion according to the Forbes. And in 2018, Icahn told CNBC that crypto is ridiculous and added, maybe I'm too old for them, but I wouldn't touch that stuff. 3 years later, let's get into crypto. Yeah. So he's saying, I mean, a big wave for us would be $1 billion, $1.5 billion. I'm not going to say exactly. Much of the cryptocurrency issued today will not survive, but we believe cryptocurrency in one form or another might be here to stay. To be clear, we have never bought any crypto, but we are studying it. So, again, interesting. Always when these announcements happening, I'm a bit skeptical. Hasn't he bought any yet? He's just studying it, but he's saying it in Bloomberg that he's planning to do it. The same like Elon Musk is like, I'm about to buy crypto for Tesla, and then the whole thing was done already. So, well, we will see. But interesting again that another person who is like an investor, it's a billionaire, it's an influential person, changed his mind, has said crypto is ridiculous and not even touching this stuff, now saying I'm going to enter in a big way. So this is a massive thing. Okay. And now let's move on, yeah, I think it's time to finish then. Sorry, I just had to remove that from the screen. So guys, that's it for today. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, then what are you waiting for? You would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news? Then you should be here. Subscribe, bell button all, and then you will get a notification as soon as a new video is out. Also, don't forget that I have a free course for you, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The link under this video, you can download it and then learn from it. It's a very, very useful thing in my opinion. Educate yourself. This is the key thing, and stay up to date. And tomorrow, I'm coming back to the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. So guys, see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.